boys hungry? Got something special for you today. Well, today they're going to be getting those chicken pieces. Are you guys ready for chicken pieces, Enzo? Let me go get it ready for them, then we can feed them. Okay, so this is when I start preparing the food for all the individual animals. So this is for the tigers, that is chicken pieces, just warming it up for them. This is for the big dogs. This is for the smaller dogs. This will be mixed with the cat food. That is the gravy, the cat food gravy for the duck food, and then the chicken food in water, so it's nice and soft. So that is how these lot are eating every day. Okay, let me get started. We need to mix the cat food in first. And the dog food must be mixed in with the big dog food. Over here. Yeah, we just put a little in. Don't give them just meat. That's not right. Yeah, we need to add a little, but this is going to take too long with one hand. I will show you guys when I'm done. Okay, perfectly aligned. Let's carry on with the food. Okay, so, hey, come on in here, Benny. So, tiger's food are ready. This just needs to be mixed like that. This needs to be mixed. That needs to be mixed. And this is ready. So I can just quickly go through it all. And they can start to eat. You guys can start to eat so long. There they are, all having a ball. Okay, but let me get ready with all the others, because she's starting to eat it even before I've mixed it. Okay, and they are done. Wow, that was quick. Now to the medium, or the big dogs. Yeah, this is their food. Let me take it to them first. And this is where they eat. Yeah, you guys, you'll get your food pretty soon, don't worry. This is where they are all eating. Billy, are you enjoying that? Oh, they love it. Whoa, you guys are quick, eh? Okay, now, next up the cats. Not these cats, the small cats. Alright, so this is the mixture between the beef shavings with the calcium and then the cat food. I only put 3 tins of cat food in with this because it was very good quality and I wanted them to have more of that. So let's see. A little bit difficult when it comes to doing it all with one hand. Let's do it. Let's back this out. Hey, you are supposed to be wild. Why are you not wild anymore? Are you trusting me now? Okay, we just start doing this, that, this. Okay, I'm going to put another one down there. Yes, that's for the little one. Okay, now over. I'm going to put this in here because I'm running short on hands. Let's go to cats outside. Yeah, we're not done. There's cats outside. I'm with you now, Enzo. I'm gonna feed you guys from the balcony, okay? Yeah, from the balcony. Dainty Meisval is here. Hey. Okay, let me see. Let me see. All of you guys here. Okay, wait. The only thing we never have enough of is plates. The plates can sometimes be a problem, but don't worry, we'll make a plan. That one wants to eat way over there. Fabrizio is here as well. Okay, let's do this now. I have to take at least one plate upstairs, eh? Okay, let's start. Here we go. One over there, and I'm gonna move this one under the car. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be enough. Yeah, that's enough. And then I'm gonna take 2 for the cats upstairs. Let me make them quickly. Yeah, there will be enough. And I'll bring you guys your plate of the harder stuff, what do you call it, the blocks. Yeah, I'll bring them their plate of that. Almost time, Enzo, almost time. Gonna be done now. No, you guys ate already. Look at you. Are you guys ready to eat? In a few minutes, my boy. In a few minutes. Don't you worry. Whew. Yeah, you're waiting for me. She waits until I come upstairs and I have to feed her in a special place. Hey, Wickies. Yeah, come on, are you gonna jump? Come on, two plates. Yes, here we go. There. Wait, there's more. Okay. Here she's gonna eat now. This is what I meant to say. I was gonna take him some of this, a plate of this. But that's a little later. Just when they're done. Okay, let's go get the tiger's food. Yes. Anya, they all run after me, even though they already ate. Katas, you look like you had a great dinner. Whew. Guys, and that's how I stay fit. And then we will just do the ducks and we'll be done. Okay, I'm going to throw the water off. Most of the water. Now we'll see how much they take. Got another packet. I can give that to them as well. So we'll just see. Let's go, let's go. Whew. The walking is the worst, and the climbing, but it's good practice. Betty, you're going too quick for me. Okay, you guys stay out. No, you guys stay in. Woo! Enzo, Diego. they remember eating like this. I used to feed them like this years ago. They loved it. This is for human consumption, so it was just bought at a store. Who's next? You guys better eat at the same rate, eh? There you go, Diego. Enzo, come closer. Smarty Pants is finished over there. Peacock's on the roof eating already. Are you done, Diego? We can't let you wait. You have to eat. Enzo, you better hurry up. There's the next one already. So if you buy it in this form, you don't need to deal with all the refrigerator stuff, because it gets frozen immediately as they produce it, and it stays frozen. If it loses the freeze, it does not get sold anymore. So they have to keep it frozen. You don't need to basically, well, take the whole chicken and spend 45 minutes on it. Well, not, let's make it 10 minutes on it. You don't need to do that. And yeah, you just put it in warm water. This could have been warmer, although I think the tigers will appreciate it as it is. And here you go, Diego. You can share very, very even. I must just balance it right here. You can share it very even. And they get to eat all the different parts. Like there's a wing for Diego, and here is a wing for Enzo. Oh, that wing was broken. He didn't fly very well. Whoa, Diego, you're gulping them up like there's no tomorrow. I hope there's a tomorrow. Enzo? I can give them a little run for their money here, so they can run around if I wanted to. I don't want to unnecessarily make them run. I'm not that kind of a tiger person. Hi, Diego. Yeah, they enjoy their food in any way, shape or form. As long as it's tasting good and it's making their tummies full, they are happy. And this way also you get 5 kilograms of the right stuff. It's not 5 kilograms of the guts with whatever comes with that. So you're getting a good deal if you buy it like this. But it is expensive. But it's nice. And I could well, I finished this now. This is done. They just might, I'll check their tummies now. And if it looks like they didn't have enough, I just might have to give them another packet. And let me just give Zach something there as well. The kitty cat, smarty pants. Here comes the peacocks. Yeah, I gave them some pellets. That's what I was having trouble saying earlier. They ate it on the roof, but they will be eating again pretty soon now. Well, it looks like they enjoyed it. Hey Enzo, hey Diego. Well guys, that is it. We are done. And I'll just see if they do look like they had enough, because I can see it looks like they had enough. They're walking pretty full away, and that's no water, that's just meat. But that's the thing about it like this, it is just the best stuff. That helps. Okay, and the ducks' food are done, ready to take it out and feed them. Dogs cleaning the dishes. You guys stay inside. Got a couple of them eating over here. Zach, come on inside. Thank you. Come on, come in. That's it. He always listens very well. See, I need to use my elbows to close up here. Let me just turn slowly so I don't bump into stuff. But Tamale's still catching those last rays for us. Amazing how this thing works. I can't believe I like it so much. Okay, let's feed you guys. Are you ready? Let's go. This Egyptian goose over here, we have to pick him up every day in a different place. He's been traveling around the zoo house in this last week. He goes to Pokey. He goes to all the different animals and spend some time with him. He does not like the little ducks at all, but I just go pick him up. And there's the peacocks as well. Yeah, it's raining food. Once or twice. Do this. I want to put a little over here. James, that one's for you. Oh, James. And then I had a little duck here that she's got a hurt foot. That's the one in the water. So she'll come eat when she's ready. This stuff's not going to float, guys. You better come eat. Big tamale over there. Okay, let me go. Here we go. Some more there. Dogs. And inside the fence. Right. Now we are ready to go to the other side, where the other ducks are. Let's see. I just picked this up because that food there is for the Egyptian goose. The female with the skew beak. Hey, what are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here. She's not supposed to be there. come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, guys. No, 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 you already ate. You already ate. You are full. And you are also full, Diego. Just when it gets heavy, you carry it in the center of the bucket. That's the way to do it. Monkeys! Everyone eating. Whew. Just open up here. And here we go. Okay. Right, let's go, let's go. This is for guinea pigs and chickens. Not necessarily for the ducks. This is for the ducks. If you see a duck, you throw some food. If you see a guinea pig, you throw some food. And behind this stuff. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to just put this there. And also put some of this. That should do it. And we just cut it and cut it and cut it and cut it. That's how I cut vegetables, guys. Easy as pie. And look how perfectly nice I cut them. This is for guinea pigs. Let's go more to that side. Broccoli. I even put inside here for the little ones. Hey you! What are you waiting for? You look like a mouse. There's a cat there. The pool. We did clean the pool the other day. There's one on you. Hey, what's going on here? Come on guys, who needs onions? Who wants onions with that? And I want to throw some way in there where you'll never find it again, but they will. And that's it. My job is done. I just might need to put some water for the little ones. Like that. Yes, still clean. And then there's another one over here. And that's it. Now I am done. Whew, okay, let me get back to the others. All the monkeys got their food. They're all eating. Hey, where's all the monkeys? Doing? Yeah, already in bed. Yeah, Fleeky. Hey, you guys, what are you eating? Eggs. Wow. Wow, you guys have got nice food here, hey? Wow. Little Lexi. Where are you, Lexi? She's still outside. Hey, kitty cats! See all the monkeys. Oh, the ducks are eating over here. Mommy, are you happy with your duckies here? Yeah, that pink feet Egyptian geese keeps on coming here to terrorize them. But they are well kept over here. Look how big they got. They grow up so quick. You guys, are you done eating? Charlie and Buddha and all of you? Everywhere there's a monkey. But they are quiet because their mouths are full. Oh, they're doing the washing today. Those monkeys can play. Hey, Funky! Did you get your food yet? Don't worry, it's on its way, it's on its way, it's on its way. But you've got a beautiful palm here, hey? Look at that. Look at that palm tree. That's the only one of its kind that actually took here. Planted about 5. That's the only one that made it. We're keeping him away from Mr. Rainbow. Hello. Everybody coming to pick up their monkeys. Well, that is where Endo passed out after he ate. Look at that. Was that nice, Endo? Oh, he loved it. Yep, he loved it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like always, have a great day.